I feel like that's gonna break.
It's definitely gonna break at some point.
I'll have to redo my annual pass before we go next time. Nice.
Yeah, it was wild. Yesterday it was really nice out in the afternoon, and like nobody was there.
Dude, this is my favorite time of year to climb
I
outside.
mean, yeah, not me, but it was just like people are so silly. It's
Yeah.
like it's not even hot.
Like it's 70. This is like room temperature.
Today is warmer. Like last night when we
Awesome.
went, we got there like at 6. It was like cold. Like I was kind of chilly, and I was like so surprised that nobody.
It almost feels like fall. Somehow when Sean got his LRC membership last year, it was good for 2 years. So it's just good till 2026. Lucky duck.
Whatever.
You want a double, Mario?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.